Good morning, students. Today class is storage classes. The storage classes specify the scope of the object and the specifying variables processing is the limitations of the variables. And the storage classes of variable tells the compiler about location of the variable, scope of the variable, lifetime of the variable, initial value of the variable. It means that when they declare the variables in a programming, that the variable can be where we stored in particular location, that the variable declaration is the local variable and the global variable, and it means that when we declare within the function or outside of the function, lifetime of the variable it can be stored, it declare the temporary storage or permanent storage, and initially of the variable it we initially stored zeros and initially stored values. And this location means specifies that variable will be allocated memory either from the main memory or from CPU registers. It means that when they declare the variable, that particular allocating the memory, you either from the main memory to be allocated that particular variable location, or CPU registers can be allocated particular location. Scope of the variable. The scope of the variable specifies at what part of the program the corresponding variable will be visible. The scope defines the visible of an variable, and it defines where an variable can be referenced, and the scope can be blocked scope or file scope. It means that local scope or global scope. And the lifetime specifies how long a variable continues to exist in a programming. It means that when a variable can be initializing is completed, then the variable can be stored, continue in the programming, and to will be exit in the programming. Initial value specifies the value to be stored in the variable when it is declared. It means that when we declare the variable in a declaration part using the data type, I am using int and I want to store the 5 values. It means that 5 memory locations can be allocated, but no values can be stored in that location. It means that it is stored the temporarily zeros. Either garbage values can be stored in the initial stage. Types of the storage classes. There are 4 kinds of storage classes in C language. Auto storage class, extend storage class, static storage class, register storage class. The storage classes can be classified into 4 types. There are auto storage class, extend storage class, static storage class, register storage class. Coming to the auto storage class, the variable which can be created using auto storage class are called as automatic variables. It means that when you are using directly to store the values, that can be defined as automatic variables. The default storage class assumed by the compiler is auto. When the automatically variable stored in particular location, we have to use auto. The general syntax of the declaring of the automatic variable is auto data type variable name and with the semicolon. In the declaring example, auto is using same as a keyword, and int is a data type, primitive data type. It stores the 2 bytes of memory in each and every variable, and x is the variable name and end with the semicolon. Overall, int x end with the semicolon. It means that when the variables can be defined automatically in using the automatic storage classes. we are using particular auto keyword. Characteristics. The memory for automatic variables will be allocated from a main memory. It means that when we variables are allocated a particular location, we are using main memory. The scope of the automatic variable is limited to the block function in which they are declared. The scope of the variables are two types using. One is a black scope and a global scope. It means that the body of function is a black scope. When the scope of the variable is visible, only the particular block is defined. And sometimes it is referred to as a local variable also. And a global scope or file scope means it includes the entire source file for a programming, including any file is included, and is visible to the whole source file in which will be declared. And automatic variables will be created when a function is invoked and will be destroyed when that function is exited. When an automatical variable will be created, the function is invoked and the function is destroyed, or when the function is exited. These three times only automatic variable will be created. The initial value in automatic variables is garbage values. It means that when we defining any variable or any variable can be declared in a particular location, that location can be initially stored garbage values. It means that it store each and every memory location zeros. After that, we are defining particular variables, values can be stored. The keyword is used to create automatic variable is auto. In the auto storage classes, location is the main memory. It means that when the variables can be stored in allocating the memory is main memory. Scope is limited to the block in which the variable is declared. It means limited declaration only. Variable declaration is limited lifetime till the end of the function in which the variable is declared. It means that when the variable is declared, the storage is the function will be ended, the variable will be declared. Initial value garbage value, it means that it stores the zeros initially. Using the automatic storage classes, keyword is auto. External storage classes. The variable which are created using external storage classes are called as external variables. The external storage classes are also called as external variables or global variables. The external variables are declared before the main function. Before the main function. The extent of object defines the duration for which the computer allocates memory for it. In C, an object can have automatically static or dynamic extents. The extent of object is also called as storage duration. The syntax of the extend variables is extend data type variable name end with the semicolon. Example, extend is a keyword, data type is a int, primitive data type. We have to use here any data type in int place. X is the variable name and with the semicolon. The characteristics of the external storage classes. The memory for external variables will be allocated from the main memory only. When they declare the variables in global declaration, the allocating of the space is main memory, or each and every variable memory space is allocated by the main memory only. The scope of the external variables will be throughout a program and also across the different programs. That when you are using the external variables will be in a programming, also different programs you have to using that. The scope means the variables can be defined externally or internally. It means that local variables are global variables. The lifetime of external variables is till end of the program execution. The initial value in external variables is 0. It means that garbage value will be stored in the memory location. The keyword used to create external variable is extern. The keyword of the external variables is extern. In this table, the external local storage classes, location of the variable is main memory. The scope of the variable is throughout the program and also across different programs. Lifetime of the external class storage classes is till the end of the program will be execution. Initial value is 0 and the keyword is extern. Programming of the example external storage classes. I am defining int is the data type, number is the variable name, and directly value will be assigned to the number using assignment operator and is equal to end with the semicolon. When you are using assignment operator, right hand side value can be assigned to the left hand side. It means the number value is 75. Void display end with the semicolon. It means that when you are declaring any variable, that variable can be displayed in the programming using display. And the main function start with the programming void main. No return type using in this main function. Extern is a keyword, int is a data type, variable is a number. Number already is 75. Printf n number equal to format specifier d. I am using here int, that's why I am using here d, comma number end with the semicolon. Printf is the output function and display, and function is closed, and void display. Extend int number. Extend int number. I am using again in this function printf number format specifier d and number end with the semicolon. Output is number 75. Note that the main use of external keyword is to extend the scope visibility of the variable. In this programming, we displaying the two outputs. We are using external input here and external input number here. And I'm defining the two files, file1.c and file2.c. In this file, I'm not using any extend file. It means that extend keyword as include studio.h standard input output header file and int equal to a equal to 7 and with the semicolon is a global variable declaration, void function and increment a plus plus and with the semicolon printf percentage of the comma a and with the semicolon. This is the file 1 of the data. This is file 1 of the data and this is file2.c data. As include file1.c. It means that the file2 programming linked to the file 1. Okay, file 1 can be linked to the file2 programming and main function extend int a function. It means that in this file 1 already variable declaration a value is 7. That a value equal to 7 can be displayed here. The global variable from one file can be used to in other using extend keyword. It means that when you are declaring in this function variable declaration, automatically extend to this file. Okay, using extend keyword. Static storage classes. The variable which are created using static storage classes are called as static variables. The static variables can be declared either inside a function or before main function. And the general syntax of declaring the static variables is static data type variable name and with the semicolon. The specifier static has different usages depending on the scope. When it is used with a variable that is declared in a block, static defines the extent of the variables, and variable of the scope is a block and extent is a static, and internally also using in the static. And the characteristics of the storage static storage classes. The memory for static variables will be allocated from the main memory only. We are observing external storage classes also, variables allocated is a main memory, and external storage also classes also allocating the variables is main memory only. If the static variable is declared inside a function, then its scope will be limited to that function. If the static variable is declared before the main function, then its scope will be visible to all the functions in the programming. In the static variable declaration, it will be inside the declaration is also there, and outside the also declaration is there. And the lifetime of the static variables is till the end of the program execution. The initial value of the static variables is 0. The keyword is used to create a static variable is static. The keyword is static. The syntax of the static storage classes. Static is a keyword. Data type is using any data type and a variable name. And example, static keyword, int data type, and x is the variable name, and with the semicolon. And the location is the main memory. It means static storage classes location is main memory. Scope is either variable declaration either inside of the function, limited to that function. When you declare inside the function, it is limited to that function. Before main function, we are declaring using scope, visible to all functions in the programming. Lifetime is till the end of the program execution. Initial value 0. Keyword static. Using static without static. When you are defining static in a programming without using static in programming. I am using void main function int data type integer, it means 2 bytes memory location with I, variable is I, and with the semicolon. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 1, I plus plus, function C, and with the semicolon. Void function C. Static int x equal to 0. It means that static is a keyword, int is a data type, x equal to 0, and with the semicolon. And x plus plus, printf percentage of d comma x, end with the semicolon. Output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And x less than or equal to 1 is if the condition is true, the statement will be executed. If I less than or equal to not equal to 1, the condition is for exiting the loop and printing the values. And here, if the condition is true, the function will be coming to here, x plus plus into x equal to x plus 1. Here the x equal to initial 0, initial value is 0 and plus 1. Here the x equal to 1. After that, incrementing the value 1 plus 1. It is displaying the 5 only. Without using stack, void main function start, int I integer, variable I, and with the semicolon. For I equal to 1, semicolon, I less than or equal to 1, and I plus plus. Function, when you're using function C, and with the semicolon. And void function C, and int equal to x equal to 0, without using stack keyword, x plus plus, and printf percentage of the format specifier comma x and with the semicolon. Output is 1 1 1 1 1. It means that when you are using static keyword, the increment or decrement using within the locally or globally, and inside the function and outside the function will be executed the values. And without static, the inside or outside functions can be not executed. And find the output. As include studio.h here, header file I'm using, and input output, standard input output, header file I'm using, void main, and I'm using 3 increments in the programming. Increment, and every increment end with the semicolon. After that, I'm using the increment name and a static int I equal to 1, printf I equal to percentage of the slash and comma I and with the semicolon. After that, I equal to I plus 1. If the condition increment is a true, will be conditional loop will be executed. Find the output this programming. And register storage classes. The variables which are created using the register storage class are called as register variables. The general syntax of declaring register variable is register data type variable name. Register is a keyword. Data type is a, you have to use any data type in the function, variable name and with the semicolon. Example, register int x and with the semicolon. Characteristics of the register storage classes. The main memory for register variables will be allocated using the CPU registers only. In these register storage classes, the variable allocating the memory is CPU registers, not main memory. The scope of the register variables is limited to the block in which they are declared. Scope is block. It means that local variable declaration or local function declaration. And the register variables will be created when the function is invoked or will be destroyed when that function is exited. In the register variables when we created, in that time only when the function is invoked or when the function is destroyed or when the function is exited. The register variable initial value is garbage value. It means that the storage is zeros. The keyword is used to create register variable is register keyword. The register storage classes keyword is register. Location is CPU register. It means that the variable allocating the memory is CPU registers, not main memory. Auto registers is allocating the variables main memory. Extend storage classes allocating the main memory, and register storage classes is CPU registers. Scope is limited to the block in which the variable is declared. It means that local variable declaration. Lifetime is till the end of the function in which the variable is declared. Initial value is garbage value. It means that initially zeros will be stored in location. Keyword is register. Register storage classes programming as include standard input output header files. Input means printf is the output function. Input is a scanf. When you are using printf scanf in the programming, you have to particularly write standard input output header file. As include conio.h. When you are using conio.console input output header file, you have to use getch, clr, scr functions. Main, the compiler start with main or the programming start with main function. I'm using register is a keyword. Int a equal to 10. It means that I'm declaring the variable value is directly. When you are using assignment operator, right hand side values can be assigned to the left hand side, and b equal to 5. Answer is the variable name. A is the variable name, b is the variable name, ans answer is also variable name. When declaring the any line end with the semicolon, answer equal to a plus b comma printf addition percentage of the slash n and ans end with the semicolon. This is the programming. And in this class, discuss storage classes and types of the storage classes, and storage classes, variables of the locations and the location of the variable, scope of the variable, lifetime of the variable, and initial value of the variable discussion. And after that, you types of the storage classes, auto storage classes and external storage classes, static storage classes, and register storage classes. This is the class.